New, vibrant, personalized reports allow you the flexibility to view results with the exact level of detail that you need. Initial interpretation consultations, follow-up visits, and patient questions all require vastly different information. So why should you have to use the same report every time? Personalized reports allow your data to be as responsive as your care plans. To use personalized reports, access the complete patient profile by selecting the patient's name anywhere throughout the system. In the Complete Patient Profile, select the Test Report tab. Then select View on the Personalized Reports to make your report selections in the Personalized Reports module. This not only allows you to customize the level of information included at the overall report level, but to choose how much information is included for each test when there's more than one test included in the overall order. The first information level is the summary. The summary report offers a condensed overview of the most important test results, including all markers that fall outside of the normal range or are deemed at risk. You can quickly identify areas of concern by omitting irrelevant markers in the normal range. The next information option is the interpretation. When you select the interpretation, the summary will automatically be selected. The interpretation allows you to quickly understand abnormal results in the summary report by attaching an interpretive comment written by our experts. You can use this report to help your patients remember what their results mean after they go home, or create a more efficient experience for yourself. The full report provides respective values of all markers tested. This report gives you a deeper dive into the data. You may also choose to include information views from the summary and interpretation reports by selecting multiple boxes or using the Select All button. You will see all of the markers tested in their respective category, whether they were in the normal range or they were concerning, giving you and your patient full access to the data. With personalized reports, you can access a different version of the overall report at any time. To customize your selections with multiple tests, you can use the information column checkboxes to apply selections to all tests in the order. You can use this icon to make individual selections respective to each information column and test row. This checkbox allows you to omit tests entirely from the overall report. The report status indicates whether this is a final or preliminary report. When the final report is ready, the report date will reflect the day that it was approved by the lab team. Preliminary reports can be viewed with this feature as well. It functions the same way it does with final reports, except the preliminary report PDFs will be labeled as partial report. You can see when preliminary reports are available in the Update section of your dashboard. You will find the Generated Report alert in both the All category and the Generated Reports category. The Generated Report update does not indicate if the report is a preliminary report or a final report. You can check in the Personalized Report module shown previously. You can also see new report indicators in the Patients tab. Again, the new report indicator does not yet specify whether this is the preliminary or final report. You can see whether the report is preliminary or final in the Personalized Reports module. When you are done making your selections, use the View button to open the Personalized Report in a new tab. You can use the Share button to share results via email. Patient email address on file will auto-populate into the fill box, but you can also clear the box and send results to a different email address, whether that be an alternate patient email address or share results with a different provider. The email receiver must enter the patient date of birth to view the results. If you always have the entire data set, you must first decide what's essential and mentally note it as you sort through pages of results. Relying on your memory to relay relevant information to the patient can lead to oversight errors and mental fatigue. This process is even further complicated if you're comparing current and previous results. We made this easier by automatically displaying past results on the same report. By highlighting the most relevant data points for each clinical situation, you can make informed decisions swiftly, reduce the likelihood of oversight errors, and prevent mental fatigue. When patients receive simplified and focused reports, they better understand their health and treatment plans. They can reference these reports to help formulate follow-up questions for you as they continue their treatment plans. When patients can ask better questions, you can give better answers. If you haven't started using personalized reports yet, we invite you to check them out now. If you have any technology-related questions, check out our Help Center or reach out to your account manager. If you have clinical questions, please schedule a clinical consultation in the portal.